Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the WhatsApp update problems when the new version is not installing. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Next, ensure your device have enough. Head over to your settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your phone has enough storage space because updates cannot install into your app store accounts. If the updates still do not work, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for WhatsApp and then reinstall it again. This will reinstall the latest version. That's how you fix the WhatsApp update problems. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.